Hope you are listening to properly and 100% focus. You are listen my 12th day vlog. The first one, I not a perfection in my speak in English language, but I try my best of the best. Why? Because the build of my confidence, build of my communications in a English language. That is the change of lots of my life, and 1% day by day I improve my English communication skill as my body language, my face expressions. And today I am just like not randomly talk for as a English log. Today I do specifically recommendation for beginner in a YouTube channel, because beginner are not of perfection in your life, right? Day 1 and day 12 very changes, high level changes of your my life. That's why I start the communication skill, but I talk now. That is my priority. But literally, I change my life. That's why local person, our thoughts is a crowd, not a successful personality to as comparison. You are not thinking level for as a successful person in your daily life. You are not absolutely right in 110% in your daily week, but you are chance of your new beginning chapter of your life. Literally, you are not start your life without any perfection. You are 100% success. You are 100% a success, right? Because every person are to work from is hard, but that is the not good for every time to 100% effort for hard work. You effort are soft work, smart work. That is the change of the one day your life, your personality in an English log. Literally, education is the first one. You have to complete your education, and after you are decide to which one you are occupation, which one your career opportunity. But society are not suggest in your life. Society are not decide. You make a new era only for you decide. Why? Because you under 100% about yourself knowledge. No other one or decide for you what is for you, what are you for you. Maybe a long portion of your my life regret, but one day I change my era, my lifestyle, my perspective, my mindset change. Why? Because I'm not a crowd of the one part of your crowd. I'm a lion. That is the changing motivation in my life. I relate it. For how can change? How can you are absolutely 100% right? Do you know which person you are survive your life? Which person your entry in your life? Which person out of your life? You are not decide. Why you are think? Why responsibility for your in your shoulder? You focus in your life. You are focus in your career. Not focus every one person. That is the changes of your personality. That is the change of mindset. And you are one day success. 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 Thank you so much. You are listen my 13 day next day unlock because I'm a daily base upload English vlog, not a perfectly clear, not a perfection of the English fluency, but I can do. And one day result in your front of side. Thank you so much, dear. You watch my English vlog, and thank you so much, dear.